Patumi Paikuni ni Paike Tom Dillai Pathu Aklamalong KSA Dillai Head Branch Pen Chepate PC Ingdeng Troxy Pinso la pen Ingdeng Pli Soarlo Dillai la pen Hidipi Angkang Kedo School Angbong Football League Championship Trophy Kepathu Biponlo Kadu kawe Pinso Mar at team Kachetong Pon la ke team Sir Kep la pen Soarlo atum team Kep an Chetong Ponlo Angdung kiti Kepathu Kachepopon Pinsomar at team pen lake cleared up English High School a pen Dillai High School ang bongsi chip holo. Full time patuera pita goal chipi on edera job tiebreaker chitursi cleared up English High School atum 5-4 goal pen chepahai ponsi ke hayanong e chudeng ponlo. La penong e kipi amayalong break jump anong e kachepalong pon atum lake best captain Gandhi Soningti Dillai High School best scorer Jirsong Ronghang cleared up English High School player of the match Samson Bay cleared up school. Best goalkeeper Sarchingri Teron cleared up school. Best defender Sarun Teron Dillai High School. Player of the tournament Jirsong Ronghang. Halapuso arlo ati matum laki St. Thomas High School apen Dillai High School ang bongsi pathu chephoponlo. St. Thomas High School atum kit hek muchora jok 1-0 goal pen chepahai ponsi ke hayanong e chudeng ponlo lapen nong e kepajira mailong prek jamanong e kachepalong pon atum laki Player of the tournament Arkilo, St. Thomas School, Best Goalkeeper Rumiring Tipi, Dillai High School, Best Defender Sermika Tisopi, Dillai High School, Best Captain Jirmili Kramsapi, Dillai Golf ME School, Highest Scorer Jirmili Kramsapi, Player of the Match Arkilo, St. Thomas School. Lapen Best Discipline Team of the tournament Dillai Golf ME School, Girls Lapen Boys Lage, St. Thomas School. Mayalong aluhiaman pen kachetong dun lake Karbiang Autonomous Council EM Surjo Rongphar KSA TDP Kongchon Bang George Timung Karbi Language Development Board Chairman Nobin Terang Nihang Donsuri Longria Mai Amaipu to Heswar Terang Dillai Sports Association Secretary Harlong Bing Leng Dillai KSA Amaipu Waisong Terang Chunbang Brojen Hanse Lapen Pinangan Kithe Kiding Atum Chetong Dun si RD Pidunlo Dillai pen Bijoy Rongpi Karbing Long Live